Mabuhay! Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly disembarkation, we ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will... Mabuhay!